Hello again. Today we're going to talk about the 9-inch touchscreen and why it really is easier to use than your smartphone. All the functions you need will be found from the screen, and everything can be accessed with just a few swipes or a tap. For example, if you want to access the hydraulics, simply press there and you have the entire hydraulic menu options open. If you can't use the touchscreen for some reason, then simply use the wheel encoder and the OK button and you can access any features you want. From anywhere in the menu, you can return to home by simply pressing the home button and you'll return here. It is impossible to get lost in our menu. All the technology you need, for example, ISO bus, an auto guide, they're all here in the touchscreen. You don't need any more displays. While driving, you can have the normal driving display open by pressing this button in the bottom corner. You then open the driving display. You have two options for the driving display. You can have the quadrant, so you have 4 separate mini screens, or press the driving display button again and you enter this large screen driving display. Via the 9-inch touchscreen, you can change any settings you want. For example, U-Pilot sequences can be set up from here. Also, hydraulic valves and their settings can be changed from these menus. As always, all settings are saved in profiles, so if you change your work, no worries, just select your profile and you'll have all your settings right at hand. This really is a new way of working with tractor terminals.
Valtra, your working machine.